booking Lightning Lane Single Pass at Walt Disney World. If you are staying on-site, you can purchase and book Lightning Lanes 7 days before the start of your vacation. If you are staying off-site, you can purchase and book Lightning Lanes 3 days before your tickets begin. From the home screen, find the Lightning Lane box at the top and select Purchase. Select the date and the park you are visiting that day. Choose Lightning Lane Single Pass for the attraction you would like to purchase. Click Continue. Confirm your party and click Continue. The system will assign a time. You can select Modify Time if you want to see other options. Click Continue. Choose your desired payment method and pay. Repeat the process and make a second selection if you would like. If you are park hopping, you can select a second Single Pass Lightning Lane at any park. Have fun!